What's going on, guys? Siobhan here, back with another video, and Jake Paul has just released a motherfucking banger, bro. So you know we have to react to that shit, bro. It's like he heard my last video and was like, yo, I have to come out with the bangers. So this man came out with the bangers, so we have to listen to the bangers, and I'm gonna share my thoughts on this video so you guys know what's going on, man. And let me know what you think of this song down below in the comment section. So yes, guys, you might be wondering what I'm doing outside. I don't know, it just felt like a beautiful day today, so I'm outside. But yeah, without any further ado, guys, let me start this video. I'm gonna start the video in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop recording, blah blah. Hit that space bar.
Sorry, Logan.
Yeah. Yeah.
Had to diss you. You started it.
Yeah.
But I'ma finish this.
This beat go hard, bro.
Listen one day, help me, help you make a better song, bitch.
Hey.
The Logang is shit. Why don't we? Is the war One Direction? The Jake Paul is on top, and we stay flexing.
This shit bangs. Yeah. Reflection. Yeah. Yo, I think it's been too harsh, but this shit slaps. Yeah. Alright, that was weak. This nigga said Donald, sorry for the nigga, but this man said Donald Trump here, that was weak. Hey. Drive it. Oh, I think he said that because, you know, Jake is good with the driving. Skirt, skirt. Flexing. Hey. Wow.
I thought for like 20 minutes of how else I could roast myself, and that's all I got. But I'm sorry, Logan. JK, I'm never sorry. You thirsty for the views?
Hey.
Call it Kalahari.
Hey.
Hey.
I don't know why I'm so hyped. What the fuck? This man just said it. Alright, that was weak. That part was weak. Yeah. Flexing. Yo, fam, yo, that shit slap. Everyone knows that shit goes hard, bro. You know that shit go hard. Yo, oh my days. I'm sure that a lot of haters are gonna say, yo, bro, you took it too far. But these guys are brothers, you know, so they know their boundaries and they know their borders to cross. So I'm sure like he even got the approval of his brother to make this freaking video. So all you people need to chill, and yeah, let me know what you think. Do you think that Logan will come back with a freaking diss? Oh shit, with a freaking diss track. If you think Logan will come with a diss track, please let me know down below in the comments. I got my eyes open.